Let me share the full tour of this beautiful property in Front Royal. Enjoy the nature and privacy that offers this wonderful chalet-style home on over 2-acre lot. 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a very large deck. Gorgeous hardwood floors and wood-burning fireplace. Renovated bathroom on main level. Renovated kitchen with vaulted ceilings and access to the deck. Great sized deck with awesome views. Let's go upstairs, where the primary bedroom is located, with shiny hardwood floors, a large bathroom that was renovated, like a private retreat where you can enjoy these awesome views from your windows. Second level overlooks the living room. Let's go see the basement. Open space with lots of natural lights. And a full bathroom. The outside of this property offers an awesome scenery. Unique lifestyle that combines the tranquility of mountain living with easy access to great amenities. Proudly presented by Spring Hill Real Estate and Carla, your realtor friend.